I know, that's what I said. I'm like, you cannot be out here doing all this. Sorry, my doorbell just rang. I know, that's exactly what I said. I'm like, hold on, I can never see through these things. I'm just gonna open it. You will not. No, I don't. No, yes, I locked the door.
In this situation, the owner did not have a Ring doorbell. Let's see what would happen if he did though.
I know, that's what I said. I'm like, you cannot be out here doing all that. Hold on, I just heard my doorbell ring. Let me check my Ring camera. Okay, hold on. Oh my goodness, who is that? I better call the police before something happens.
Buy your Ring doorbell at ring.com/video. Feel protected even when you're not available. Protect what matters most. Ring.
By the way, this video was not sponsored by Ring at all.